Hi there, I'm Bridget Mackay. I'm an attorney in Petaluma, California, and I practice in estate planning and trust and will administrations. You're tuning in right now on one of my videos, educational blogs, and I'm going to talk about another really exciting topic in the area that I practice law in, which you may not find so exciting, but sometimes I do, and it's really strange, but I do. And that is end of the year tax planning. We're in 2012, and many of you may not know, but in 2011 and 2012, the exemptions that the IRS gives us for when we die, ironically we do get taxed when we die, but only from the feds, not from the California taxes. And it was increased this year. So I could die, you folks watching could die with $5 million, which you know everybody has, right? And your estate won't get taxed. If you are in that category, I recommend that you hightail it to an estate planning attorney and have them look over your tax planning issues. I can't cover everything that needs to be talked about in this one video. But I can tell you, for those of you who might be interested, that you have an opportunity this year and next year. Well, this year. Next year it ends. At the end of the year, that $5 million exemption we have at our death goes to $1 million, and then we're at the mercy of the Congress. Just scary for some people, including myself. So if you are thinking of gifting to your children, you should really get some advice about it, because you can gift up to $5 million this year, and that opportunity is going to end and probably never come back on December 31st. So if you have an estate that is of that size, you should get to an attorney, a CPA, a financial planner, and start talking about what the possibilities are for you to do that. If you don't, and that's a lifetime gift this year, if you don't, here's some basic facts that all of you should know. You can gift annually $13,000 to any individual a year without either of you paying tax. So the person gifting doesn't pay a gift tax, the person receiving the money doesn't pay income tax. So for those of us with middle class size estates and are concerned about the tax change going to next year to dropping to $1 million at our death, you might want to think about doing some gifting if you have the opportunity to do so. And if you are, that's one way to sort of trim down your tax exposure, federal tax exposure. Again, a lot of heady, exciting, interesting information I just gave, but something you might want to look at if you have estates over $1 million. So get in contact with a financial professional or an attorney as soon as you can before December 31st.